Boris, welcome to Sketchman Draws. So for Disney month today, we're going to be drawing Genie from Aladdin. So again, we'll break down the picture that we are trying to draw, and then we're going to start like putting those basic structures, basic shapes on our canvas, and then build the details on top of it, like as usual. So if this is your first video, please let me know what you think. Let me know what about the volume, the setup, like what do you think? And of course, don't forget to comment about like what cartoon characters or Disney characters first that you like to see me draw in this channel. So let's, of course, we really miss Robin Williams. I know, it just kind of reminded me of that. So let me reduce the opacity here. So again, you'll see those those teardrop shapes. Right. And then this for the torso. And then I don't really have any other than this spiraling which is not that important for the likeness of the character, but I think the for example the way the forearms are shaped here, and then we'll look at the hands. So of course you shouldn't forget the lamp. So if I remove like the picture roughly, this is what we are going to draw, excluding the details, right? So let's get started. So we'll start with, let me put back the opacity here. So let's start with the head. So the cranial mass will be, he's a humanoid character, so the cranial mass will be here somewhere. And then, so I'm establishing the shoulders, but then I'm going to go into that really pronounced shape there. So for the hands, I think I'll just see this shape for the moment. Oh, seems like I accidentally changed the brush. So something like this. Again, I'm getting ahead of myself, but yeah, I like those shapes. Push the chest a little bit forward. We'll work on the eyes and so on in a moment, but even that, the lower part, they try to have like those pleasing thin to thick shapes. And again, it's very simple, but then everything has to be pleasing, right? Like, because it has to be fun for the animators who are drawing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lift the lamp. So yeah, I think we got the okay, that's a little bit better. That looks better. So now let's go to the face. So again, you like just don't get overwhelmed by the details. Just look at the outline of each shape, and then it's like a puzzle. Like, then you slowly put them together, and then you have something like again, like the roundness with the flatness, the contrast of shapes, all in service of making the character look appealing. Again, typical, the eyes, egg within an egg, really thick eyebrows. Yeah, he doesn't have like that, like making the, I just, it's because I draw messy, that line was looking too thick and making it look like it was a beard on the side, but so again, I think the pose really came out really well, and even for the hand, which is like one of the most difficult things to draw, if you can see the overall shape, you'll be able to draw it. So I get kind of lost in details. Sorry, I'm silent, but I think like the once it's established, you kind of on like an automatic mode where you're just adjusting stuff and going crazy on get caught up in the details. Sorry, it's too small. I don't see the design on the lamp. Okay. So that's Genie. So what do you think? So I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like, share and subscribe, and of course comment on what you want to see next. This is Boris for Sketchman Draws, signing off.